Hello, Hats. Let's talk about cloning species. What do we know about cloning species? What do we know about cloning species, and what do the human need to know about it?
What is cloning? Animal cloning consists of producing an animal that requires a copy for the original. For this technique, gadget somatic cell nuclear transfer is usually used. For cloning to be possible, the X and Y chromosomes that are used for the cell of DNA that generate the DNA.
That's very interesting. Like, we use the chromosomes G and X to reduce a copy of an animal. How do be possible that we danger, or did we a good possible thing?
The cloning is a dangerous practice because having a mutated gene or a bad formation can damage the clone and continue to make other clones sick.
That's very danger. That be possible to be a good feeling. How do you feel about it? Is bad or good?
Now, for my point of view, I feel fear and anger because I don't know if that animal that are in extinction could be returned to its habitat alive and can be alive. But we have one list of animals that are axolotl, jaguar, Mexican wolf, and black vaquita marina. Those animals are the most that are more in danger. So the scientific wanna study them and want to see if that's possible to clone they and make more animals and that extinct don't will die. And also people don't like that type of clonation because they don't know if that animal will be hurt or can be bad, and that animal have a is sick. The clone of its animal will be sick and more and more, and that's how I feel.
That's so many bad things about cloning species. That not good about cloning. I think that cloning could be a very bad thing. How do you think about it?
Cloning is the first thing we are most wait for. It's the development and performance to be able to take advantage of what could be one of the science wide more performed in the history of humanity and will be a giant step for humanity.
That's such a good things, Yellow Hats. Then what is the most important things about it?
Normally, the people feel fear when have something new. In this case, the clonation. And that happens when the people don't have information about that topic. And I think the possible solution for that are put in a university career about the cloning. And put that career in the same level of the medicine career. For that, the people study that career. And I think the cloning are a possible solution of problems like the overpopulation in China. In China, we have a lot of overpopulation, and we don't have the necessary food. If we clone the animals like cows, pigs, fishes, chickens, we can have more food.
Like, the people don't know much about cloning, right? Like, people don't understand what is it or what may be possible to do with cloning, and that's why the people don't know many about it, and they have fear about cloning. Do you understand what is the most important thing about cloning?
The main cause for which animals become extinct due to demographic and genetic phenomena, destruction of will, habitats introduction of invasive species, climate change, illegal hunting, and trafficking. So if the species cloning method begins to be used, no. This will increase the meat drought with 60% for feeding and conservation of species.
That I I hear many good things about cloning. There is something bad, I don't think so, but I think that maybe cloning have very such a things. Feelings, how do you think about clonation is?